here we've got a tandem ride-on trailer. So obviously we've got two sets of wheels that can hold a heap of weight with the fold down ramp at the back. So what customers will usually do is they'll undo the pins and everything at the front. So undo these ones and undo the middle one, and then as soon as they drive on the back, that'll tilt up, giving it a near flat surface to drive straight up on. This person's bought it for a big ride-on mower that he's got, so it'll work perfect for him. Take a heap of weight and his mower and everything. This one's a non-braked one. You can also get them as the braking version as well, which has brakes connected to the two front wheels with a big braking system on the front as well. So if you're carrying a lot of load, you've got the peace of mind that your trailer is going to do the braking as well as your car. But this customer didn't want that because he had a pretty grunty vehicle to do most of the braking. And easy to do the ramp, obviously. I'm holding the camera with one hand and doing the ramp with the other hand, so pretty easy to do.